Smoothies are a super great way to hike up your daily servings of fruit and vegetables. Not only are smoothies super delicious and convenient to make, they're also, what the blender does is it breaks down the cell membranes of the fruit and the vegetables, making their nutrients even more readily absorbable. But do you have to follow a recipe? Nope. Today is all about teaching you the No Fail Smoothie Formula so that you can use whatever you have on hand and be able to put together a winning smoothie with just the right straw sipping texture. And that formula is 1 cup of liquid, 1 cup unfrozen fruit, 1 cup frozen fruit, a half a cup to a cup of vegetable, and a tablespoon of nutritional boost, if you would like. And if you need an optional sweetener, a half a tablespoon. So today, what I'm going to make for you is my super pink strawberry raspberry smoothie. Now, when it comes to liquid, yogurt falls into the liquid category. And I love to use yogurt in some smoothies, but not all. If you're going to use yogurt, a half a cup is what you want to add for the formula, and you'll decrease your liquid to 3/4 cup. And if you're using a plain unsweetened yogurt, which I recommend, then I suggest you throw in just a tad of vanilla flavoring. So we're going to begin. The juice that I'm choosing for the liquid is going to be a white grape juice. I'm using a half a cup of yogurt. You always start with your liquid first because you want that against the blades. That'll help things get moving, so always remember that. Next, you're going to go with your unfrozen fruit. Today I'm using a nice fresh pineapple. So then you want to do your 1 cup of frozen, and this is strawberries and raspberries mixed. And this is going to just be so beautifully pink. Now, the vegetable that I'm choosing to incorporate with this, yes, you can use greens or whatever, but what I want to do is I want to make this super pink. I'm going to use, and I haven't skinned this beet, it's raw. You can use canned beets, but I'm going to use raw and just a half of a beet in there. Now for my nutritional boost, you can use flaxseed, wheat germ, chia seed, but I'm going to use these hemp seeds. They're wonderful in omega-3 fatty acids. They're an amazing, great nutritional boost. I'm just putting in a tablespoon. You could put in 2 or 3 tablespoons actually. And if you needed a sweetener, you could add a half a teaspoon of honey. But this is going to be for me, and I know that I don't need it. So here we go. Now, if you don't have frozen fruit on hand, that's okay. You can use ice to be able to use this, to put that together. But you'll see that this is the perfect straw sipping texture. And is that ever beautiful pink? And this formula does make 2 servings. Do you know what that tastes like? It tastes like a Starburst candy, those red Starburst candy. It is tart, it's sweet, and you really have no idea that there's beet in there. It's just a beautiful, fabulous color.